Welcome to Tech Spectrum. This video will be going over the top 5 air purifiers. These items were selected based on our personal preferences, and we hope they'll help in choosing what's best for you. Number 1. Best Overall Purifier. Levoit Core 400S. The Levoit Core 400S tops our list as the best overall air purifier. As an excellent way to revitalize the air inside your home, the purifier takes just a few minutes to completely clean the air in your home. With Vortex air technology, the purifier circulates fresh air using 360-degree air intake, curved fan blades, and raised vents. It uses 3-stage filtration to purify the air. First, the pre-filter captures lint, fibers, hair, and pet fur. Next, the H13 True HEPA filter captures fine dust, smoke particles, pollen, and pet dander, and uses HEPA Smart technology to statically charge fibers and trap 99.9% of bacteria and viruses. Finally, a custom high-efficiency activated carbon filter filters out smoke, fumes, pet odors, and cooking smells, and uses its air recomposition formula to break down molecules trapped within the filter. Designed for rooms up to 403 square feet, the air purifier makes indoor living easier with improved air quality. It's able to quickly rid your house of cooking smells and improve the quality of your sleep when purifying your bedroom. Unfortunately, the device is a bit lackluster when it comes to neutralizing cigarette smoke. You have the option of choosing between various fan speeds, including an auto mode and a sleep mode. The purifier is one of the more quiet ones around. It operates extremely quiet when in sleep mode, and isn't loud at all when the highest setting is selected. This is thanks to its Quiet Keep technology, which uses rubber pads to absorb sounds made by the fan. Overall, if you're looking for a smart option that's packed with advanced features, the Levoit Core 400S is an easy recommendation. Number 2. Best for large spaces. Blue Air Blue Pure 211 Plus. The Blue Air Blue Pure 211 Plus is our pick as the best air purifier for large spaces. Combining electrostatic and mechanical filtration, this air purifier uses HEPA silent filtration to maintain exceptional performance while using less energy and making less sound. This dual filtration technology cleans your air quicker than traditional HEPA purifiers. It uses 3 layers of ultra-advanced filtration, starting with an outer fabric washable pre-filter, which removes larger particles. Next, the main particle filter removes everything from pollen, dust, and pet dander to viruses and bacteria. Last, a layer of activated carbon rids the house of light odors from pets, cooking, and smoking. You can customize the air purifier to your taste, with the option to choose from 5 different pre-filter colors. It's also important to note that the device doesn't use a true HEPA filter. The filters have to be changed about 2 times a year and are on the pricier side. Its 360-degree air intake lets you place it almost anywhere without compromising its performance. However, weighing in at about 12.5 pounds, it's one of the heavier ones on the market and may be a bit difficult to move. You'll have to remember to lift it by its base instead of pulling on the top of the unit. Though recommended for rooms up to 540 square feet, the air purifier has been found to effectively improve air quality in both rooms bigger and smaller than the recommended dimensions. It has 3 speed control options. With a unit this size, you'd expect it to be unbearably loud, but it really isn't. Though the volume isn't ideal, it's quite amazing for the amount of air it moves. Overall, if you're looking for superb airflow to cover a large area, the Blue Air Blue Pure 211 Plus is your best bet. Be sure to hit the subscribe and notification icon to stay up to date with our latest videos, and check out the links in the description for the most recent prices. Number 3. Best for allergies. IQ Air Health Pro Plus. The IQ Air Health Pro Plus is our pick as the best air purifier for allergies. Effective against ultrafine particles that linger for long periods, this air purifier uses 4 filtration stages to deliver the purest air. First, the Premax microparticle filtration eliminates coarse particles. Next, the V5 cell-activated carbon and the pelletized chemabsorption eliminates volatile organic compounds and other harmful chemicals. And lastly, the Hyper HEPA filtration eliminates ultrafine particles like bacteria and viruses. The Hyper HEPA filter is able to remove particles 100 times smaller than a traditional HEPA filter. This lets you remove tobacco smoke, ultrafine dust, and random airborne microorganisms, which linger in the air for long periods of time. Its revolutionary modular tower design gives you 320-degree air intake at the base of the purifier. The fan and center design sucks up the air and pushes and passes it through the 4-stage filtration before being redistributed back into your house. You won't experience any annoying drafts or noisy air. The air purifier uses a new edition fan that's individually balanced and uses steel ball bearings for maximum longevity. The fan is isolated from the housing with 8 shock absorbers to reduce noise. The addition of a double-walled housing and even flow diffuser further reduces the noise. Despite all these noise-dampening features, the purifier is still a bit loud on the higher settings. Its 6-fan speed make it perfect for small and large spaces. Though it doesn't have a recommended room size, you'll find that it's more than enough for large coverage, able to completely change the air about 5 times in a 450 square foot room. Overall, if your family suffers from allergy or asthma, the IQ Air Health Pro Plus is definitely a must-have. Number 4. Best Portable Purifier. Wind Plus. The Wind Plus is our pick as the best portable air purifier. Though it might not be a top-tier device, this portable purifier is perfect for use in both your home and car. It has more than enough features to be considered one of the best portable purifiers for the average user. Instead of a regular HEPA filter, the device uses medical-grade filters that are approved for use in US hospitals. The filters are able to trap everything from viruses and bacteria to allergens and pollen. Unfortunately, it doesn't have a carbon filter, so it's not able to deal with bad smells as effectively. But its antimicrobial silver will easily neutralize germs and bacteria, instead of just filtering them out of the air. Designed by a former NASA rocket turbine engineer, the purifier uses patented fluid dynamics with a low turbulence, high airflow system to maintain a compact size without compromising its ability to clean a high volume of air. Though it doesn't have an official room size recommendation, you'll find that it'll easily purify an area of about 100 square feet. In fact, you'll notice an improvement to the air quality in just 15 minutes. Developed over the course of 18 months, Wind touts their particulate matter sensor as the smallest and most accurate commercial sensor in the world. The detachable air quality sensor measures the concentration of particles 2.5 microns in diameter or smaller, gives you an air quality index number to show how polluted the air around you is, then gives you a wind air score. Overall, if you're looking for an option that you can take on the go, the Wind Plus is our recommendation. Take a moment to like button if you're enjoying the video, and let us know in the comments what you're currently using and if it's time for an upgrade. Number 5. Best Budget Purifier. Kowei Air Mega AP1512HH. The Kowei Air Mega AP1512HH is our pick as the best budget air purifier. The device uses powerful 4-stage filtration that takes advantage of a high-efficiency network of capture technologies. First, the pre-filter captures dust, pet hair, and other large particles. Next, the deodorization filter captures odors and harmful gases. After that, the true HEPA filter captures ultrafine particles like viruses and bacteria. And finally, the Vital Ionizer generates an electrochemical reaction to further reduce ultrafine particles in the air. Rated for rooms up to 361 square feet, the purifier uses a 3-stage manual fan speed, an auto mode, and an eco mode to effectively purify your room. It also uses an air quality sensor to measure the quality of air in your room. The sensor has 3 sensitivity levels you can choose from to best suit your needs. Whether you select a manual speed or use auto mode, rest assured that the unit will be able to effectively clean your room. If it's not up to your liking, you can simply set the sensor to the most sensitive setting for even better results. The purifier is deceptively quiet when on its lowest setting, almost to the point where you're having to check if it's even on. However, the noise ramps up quickly when on the medium setting and becomes unbearably loud on its highest setting. Fortunately, the device is so effective that the highest setting is rarely needed. If you're planning to use it in a bedroom, you'll definitely want to stick to the lowest setting or eco mode, as auto mode might increase the fan speed to the point of waking you up at night. Overall, if you're looking for an affordable yet reliable option, definitely check out the Kowei Air Mega AP1512HH. That's it for our list, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check the links below to support the channel. Click the next video to watch more reviews. Until next time, this has been Tech Spectrum.